Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just only our identity, it is our faith. Here, we stand firm in our devotion to the cause and to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, champion leader of the Indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. We bring you bold. Inspired by Chinua Achebe's reflection. He came quietly, and we were amused. But now, our brothers are no longer ours. Our clan no longer speaks as one. Chinua Achebe saw it yesterday, today, and tomorrow. The white man didn't just take land, he put a knife to the soul of a people. This is not just history. It's prophecy. And we are living it. If we do not remember, we will repeat. And if we do not unite, we will remain broken. Here is a concerned tradition and cultured Igbo man speaks with raw truth and righteous anger, demanding the immediate release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. His voice echoes the pain of a people who have watched injustice unfold for too long. He questions the silence of leaders, the imbalance of justice, and the selective blindness of power. This is not just a cry, it's a call to conscience. Let his words stir hearts, awaken minds, and remind us that peace cannot exist without fairness. The time to act is now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected to the heartbeat of the resistance. Thanks for watching, and may Biafra rise.
Yes, greetings, my people. How are you doing? Happy Sunday to you all. Yes, I just saw this video. I said, let me use it to talk to Igbo, my people. Please watch this video. Yes, I believe you have watched this video. This video is exactly what Igbo people need. Igwe wike, Igwe bike, Igwe bike. Unity. Unity. We are not united. We are not united. Everybody is looking for their own. They don't think about the general Igbo community, which is very bad. You saw how this bull was fighting for his life because he was facing a big fight with the king of the jungle, which is the lion, which if they would have left him with that lion, he will not survive it. But immediately his brothers came. You saw what happened. The lion flee. He ran for his dear life. Did you see that? Yes, I still want to show you another video. See this. Yes, I hope you've seen this one too. This is the lion also in the midst of the bulls, which if the lion faced one-on-one with one bull, he will destroy the bulls. But you see how they are turning him upside down. They are dealing with him. His eye is turning him. Do you understand? Igbo people, what we need is unity. We need to be united. Most of us who have sold our conscience because of money. We have sold our conscience because of money. Money, 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 money. We never trust each other. We never believe in each other. We never want each other to live. You even want your brother to die so that you occupy his space. Yes. Please, let us come back to love one another. Our brother has been there. Nnamdi Kanu has been there. Languishing in the cell the hand of DSS. If you check what they are judging, what they are talking about, nothing. Yes, I want you, our Igbo leaders, ndị ọnụ na-eru n'okwu, Igwe we care. Igwe we care. Igwe we care. Let us listen when there is time. You are building everything in Lagos. Bring something down here. Let us solve our security problem. These people have been giving us in Igbo land Monday sit at home every time. Because of what? They demanded that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should be released. You are saying the way they did peace talk with a terrorist, a bandit, and you are there. Your own is languishing. Just he talked. He was saying something. And you are allowing your own to languish in that prison. This is not good. I know it's politics. I know it's for your interest, selfish interest, family interest, everything. You think if you come out, he will change Igbo people's mindset for you not to rule or win your election. Do what is good when there is time. Let us fight for our own. Let us do everything we can do to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from that place he is. I am still calling for his release. Please, let him be released. My name is Chief Odenibo. No one dares, no one challenges. Please, let us fight for our own. Unity is all we need. Igwe, PK. It's an action word. It's not just a word. It's an action word. Let us take action today and when there is time. Thank you.
Comes back to her because she said no other person.
It is not possible. This persecution of the Igbo people, this orchestrated, almost global persecution of the people stops with me. It cannot happen. It can never happen. That is why we do what we do. That is why I do what I do. I am campaigning for the freedom of my people because of the persecution that we are facing. It's as simple as that. Nothing more, nothing less.
Thank you very much. Comes back to her because she said no other person.
It is not possible. This persecution of the Igbo people, this orchestrated, almost global persecution of the people stops with me. It cannot happen. It can never happen. That is why we do what we do. That is why I do what I do. I am campaigning for the freedom of my people because of the persecution that we are facing. It's as simple as that. Nothing more, nothing less.
Nigerians, we thank God for how much we have achieved since we made a clarion call of one Nigeria, one voice protest. We saw what happened in court yesterday. Nnamdi Kanu was refused to be released for his medical attention, and Nnamdi Kanu is dying in DSS custody. And that is why one Nigeria, one voice protest is still on. Peaceful protest is our fundamental human right as citizens of this country. I have written to IGP. I have also written to the DSS director. And this protest is going to be peaceful on 1st of October at Eagle Square, Abuja. And I'm calling Nigerians with good conscience to support this clarion call online and offline. Online, those that will not make it to Abuja should push for this clarion call on the social media. And those that will sacrifice and make it to Abuja will come offline to support us in this call. This is not a call to anarchy. It is a call to challenge the constitution that actually fed Boko Haram with rice and chicken in Maiduguri by the same federal government. The constitution that actually romanced bandits in Katsina after killing Nigerians. It is a call to challenge the same constitution that have kept Nnamdi Kanu in DSS custody and is battling with medical challenges. I am calling of all Nigerians with good conscience. It is a call to justice. It is a call to equity. It is a call for fairness. And it is a call against victimization of Nigerian citizens just because of his tribe. We need Nigerian support for the success of this protest, for the sources of this protest, we need Nigeria to support us with branded t-shirt, hashtag Free Nnamdi Kanu, white t-shirt with Nnamdi Kanu picture, particularly this picture for those that will not be able to make it to Abuja. And we also need Nigeria to support us with caps, green caps with the picture of Nnamdi Kanu on it. And we need Nigeria to help us with banners and hand flyers for the sources of this protest. And we are calling of sincere and genuine Nigeria activists, both those with a loud voice and those with a small voice. I am calling on all Nigerian artists of good conscience. I am also calling Igbo as a nation and as a people. You have done sit at home for years and it did not work. It is time for you to leave your home and to join me for this clarion call in Abuja. This protest can also be done in all the eastern states. On the day of celebrating our Independence Day, which is supposed to be celebration of independence, but we are actually going to celebrate slavery by a government that is not sincere to her citizens. We are going to celebrate slavery by a government that has actually made her citizens slaves. May God